In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your audio, testing speakers, and enabling automatic mic volume. We'll walk through a quick and reliable way to confirm your speakers are working, pick the right output device, and make sure your microphone automatically adjusts its volume so your voice stays clear. This is especially helpful before a meeting, class, or recording so you don't have to troubleshoot on the fly. Start by locating the audio icon on your screen. It's the small sound indicator you typically see on your system's toolbar. Click the drop down next to that icon to reveal more options. From there, open the audio settings. This takes you to a dedicated window where you can see input and output controls in one place, which makes it easier to verify everything in a single pass. Inside the audio settings, find the option to test your speakers. Click Test Speaker to play a sample sound. This quick check tells you immediately whether the current device is producing audio. If the tone is faint or missing, don't worry, your configuration may just be pointing to the wrong output. Next, click the drop-down for audio output devices. You'll see a list of available options, such as built-in speakers, external speakers, headphones, or a connected monitor. Make sure to choose the device you actually want to hear sound from. The device name usually includes the brand or connection type, which can help you identify the right one. Selecting the correct output here ensures music, videos, notifications, and calls come through the speakers or headset you're using. With your output device selected, scroll all the way down to the microphone section. Look for the setting labeled Automatically Adjust Microphone Volume and turn it on. This feature continuously monitors your speaking level and adjusts the input gain in real time. It's especially useful if you change your distance from the mic, speak more softly or loudly at times, or work in a space where background noise fluctuates. By letting the system manage those shifts, you reduce clipping, distortion, and volume drops, and you won't need to micromanage your levels mid-call. That's it. You opened the audio menu, went into audio settings, tested your speakers, chose the correct output device, and enabled automatic microphone volume. With these settings in place, you'll hear your audio where you expect it, and your voice will stay consistent and clear. If you repeat this quick check whenever you switch devices, you'll save time and avoid surprises in your next